G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode we are talking about specifically the A-Series engine to suit the Classic Mini and or Moke with the C-clip as well as the washer that sits behind it. Now over time these C-clips can wear. If you are removing this quite often for whatever reason, they can spread apart, which then causes interference issues of the flywheel because it sits directly over the top here. It can either damage the C-clip or the inside of the flywheel. So if in doubt, throw it over your shoulder, go get yourself a new one and replace it. This washer sits directly behind it and they interference fit just like this, so it prevents it rotating whatsoever. Now behind there is the primary gear. This is what holds the primary gear onto there, and that's what transfers the drive from the engine all the way down the gearbox and sends the power from the engine to the gearbox via a set of gears. Now, if you are looking to shim the primary gear, it is recommended that you change both of these items, simply because over time they both can wear, and although it may give a couple of thou difference, it may be that much difference that gives you an incorrect reading to be able to shim it. If the primary gear is too tight or it's too loose, you're going to be causing problems inside the engine. And sometimes you're not going to know when you reassemble it. It may only be when you're driving it. So if you're unsure, give them a call or check them out on their website at www.minisport.com.au and ask their advice. What needs to be done to suit my engine and what is the clearance in which I need for end float? So like I said, give them a call if you're unsure, check them out. When in doubt, throw it out, replace it, and get yourself a new set from Minisport.